कि आप बड़े होकर कुछ ऐसे इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग में आप जाएंगे या फिर अभी जो कंटेंट वो क्रिएटर वर्क आप कर रहे हैं?
Even my dad has furnishing business, so I used to see him talking to architects, meeting designers. So even I got a bit interested in that, and then I started with interiors. I remember I was a very nervous girl entering the market without the unknown.
No one believes now.
Yeah. So but yeah, I am at a place now where obviously if I would have been more consistent, today I would have like millions of followers.
Hello everyone, I'm Sheetal Nawal, founder of Aposh, a lifestyle design studio. Welcome to She Builds, a podcast where we bring you the stories of inspiring women in design who have turned their passion into purpose. Today's guest is a true pioneer, Nasik's first interior influencer and co-founder of What We Style, a firm that blends design, styling and storytelling, along with her husband, architect Yash Kataria, the creative mind behind What We Click. They have built one of a kind ecosystem for interiors from vision to execution. Her journey is about courage, creativity, and love. Please join me in welcoming the inspiring interior designer Yashika. It's a pleasure having you, ma'am, on our podcast, She Builds.
Thank
Welcome.
you. Thank you for having me.
Well, ma'am, uh, let's start with your childhood journey. So, what life was like growing up, and were you the equal creative soul as you are now as a child?
Yeah. So I remember uh, I like when we were shifting our home, I just saw my job sheets and everything from nursery. Okay, so
Uh-huh.
my mom had preserved that कि ये याशिका को A+ मिला है ड्राइंग्स में कलरिंग में, so she has still saved it for like कि तेरे बच्चे भी आगे जाके
Oh, so
देखेंगे.
sweet of
So
her.
yes, I was very creative from the childhood, and all thanks to my mom. Like she was the one motivating me, and drawing classes laga, coloring classes, and different competitions mein she used to tell me to participate. So yeah.
So it's your mother who brought that
Yes.
spark in you of that
Yeah.
interior. So way back then, did you ever imagine you or your mama कि आप बड़े होकर कुछ ऐसे इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग में आप जाएंगे या फिर अभी जो कंटेंट वो क्रिएटर वर्क आप कर रहे हैं?
So from childhood, basically ऐसा था कि even my dad has furnishing business. So I used to see him talking to architects, meeting designers, and they used to come at the showroom for the selections. So even I got a bit interested in that, and then creative part तो था ही, तो then I started with interiors. So yeah.
वाओ, सो ये इंस्पिरेशन आपको घर से ही बचपन से मिलता रहा.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5 years ago, when you officially began your this journey of being an interior designer, so how do you remember those emotions that comes to your mind about the first steps?
So the first step, I remember I was a very nervous girl entering the market uh, without the unknown.
No
Like,
one believes now.
yeah. So, but yeah, I am at a place now where obviously, if I would have been more consistent, today I would have like millions of followers. Obviously, consistency was a major part in my journey.
Ma'am, being Nasik's first interior influencer, everything comes with its own set of
Set of
challenges. So, ma'am, did you face moments of self-doubt, resistance from others?
a lot of times. I remember, people used to ask me for collaboration, and they were like कि अब इतना चार्ज क्यों कर रहे हो आप, स्टैटिस्टिक्स दिखाओ,
Hmm,
एंड आपको क्या ही करना है शूट करके, मतलब कितना ही आपको टाइम लगेगा. तो these things created self doubt,
of course.
resistance. And there were times when जब साइट पे भी मैं जाती हूँ ना, तो लेबर्स, पहले ऐसा होता था जब when I used to go on the sites, the laborers would लाइक कि अरे सुनते नहीं थे,
Hmm.
कुछ बात हम बोल रहे हैं तो क्लाइंट्स कैसे, क्लाइंट्स का बोलना अलग होता है, मेरा बोलना अलग होता है, बट obviously all these challenges were a motivational thing for me, and I wanted to prove this कि no,
Hmm.
whatever you are saying or making me feel is wrong.
Yes.
So
तो ये
हाँ,
अनसेड वर्ड आप बोलते नहीं थे, बट यू सेड टू
हाँ,
योरसेल्फ एंड यू
yeah,
कार्व्ड योर वे एंड you are here today.
yes.
मैम आपको क्या लगता है ये क्या सिर्फ फीमेल्स के साथ होता है? बिकॉज टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट व्हाट यू आर सेइंग आई कैन आल्सो रिलेट. माय जर्नी व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड एज अ वुमन टाइलर, आई आल्सो पीपल belittled me a little. तो ये क्या सिर्फ फीमेल्स के साथ होता है?
यस, आई फील स्पेसिफिकली ये सिर्फ फीमेल के साथ ही होता है, ये मेल्स के साथ नहीं होता है. देर आर स्टिल पीपल हु फील कि अरे ये तो लड़की है ना,
हम्म.
अरे ये तो औरत है ना, तो ये क्या ही करेंगे, इनको क्या ही पता होगा. बट इनको नहीं पता है ना कि हम छोटा पैकेट बड़ा
बड़ा
धमाका
धमाका है,
है.
एंड वी डिजर्व टू बी ऑन सच प्लेटफॉर्म.
यस.
शी बिल्ड्स. कर दिखाने का जज्बा,
हाँ.
और कर दिखाया.
कर दिखाया.
Wonderful. So, ma'am, as you mentioned, you just didn't stop at designing. You went a lot of steps ahead and started content creating that educated and inspired people across the globe.
Yeah.
So, how did this inspiration, how did this journey start?
In COVID, I started with making YouTube videos,
Mm-hmm.
and like I got a good response on the YouTube videos as well. But then later on, I thought let's make Instagram reels. तब
I
reels आया
interrupt you
था.
here. What were your videos on YouTube before you stepped into Instagram?
It was related to interiors, like a
Again, the
long
interiors?
format interior videos. And
Okay.
then I started making fashion videos as well, because kahin na kahin I had that fashion blogging wala thing also.
Okay.
So yeah, like my sister and my cousin still call me blogger.
Oh,
So yeah, before interiors also, like starting proper interior videos, before that also I used to make fashion videos. But
okay.
then fashion was never a thing
Your
for me.
calling.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then later on, when I started with the Instagram videos, one of my reels got viral, and that was the time which was, कि हाँ अब बहुत कुछ कर
कर
सकती
सकते
हूँ.
हैं.
So that was the moment when.
Can we have more about what reel was it about?
So the reel was a basic kitchen reel. So
Acha.
I visited one of the kitchen stores in Nasik only, and there was a fitting of like a different fitting in the kitchen. So I made a educational reel, basically a knowledgeable reel about that, like the product details,
Mm-hmm.
and that reel got very much viral. So that was my first reel, which got 3.1 million views.
Oh,
So
without this was organic.
yes, everything was organic. I don't believe in organic, because it is basically, if you're not true to your audience, you're not true to yourself.
True.
So my main thing is कि I have to be what I am. I don't want to showcase people कि मैं ऐसी हूँ, and in actual
So
it's
you're
a
being
different story.
authentic while sharing the
Yeah.
content as well.
Yes. So everything, like my growth is all organic.
Mm-hmm.
I've never paid for any ads on Instagram. I've never paid for followers, never paid for, paid features. Nowadays, this is a
Yeah.
thing for paid features. कि magazine में आपको cover page पे लेके आएंगे,
हाँ.
you pay for us.
Such and such amount you
Yeah,
pay.
you pay. And then there are competitions as well nowadays, which I feel it is um, a very bad thing in this industry.
Mm-hmm.
Like लोगों का काम and winning for that work doesn't matches, because
Mm-hmm.
out there a lot of people are there working very hard and very um, nicely. Like they have amazing work going on. So
Okay. Ma'am, you've built over the years a very strong personal brand as an interior influencer. So, as you told about your first reel, I also want to ask you one thing now. Say I'm also working on my page. So, what you would advise me and what it really drives the Instagram reels to increase that reach?
Increase.
Is it the consistency, the timings, or the content itself?
So basically, for me, it is two things: your content
Mm-hmm.
and your consistency.
Okay.
Okay.
So timing doesn't matter कि सुबह
टाइमिंग
करना
फॉर
है.
मी इट डजेंट मैटर बिकॉज जब मैं रील्स पोस्ट करती थी मैंने कभी टाइमिंग हैशटैग्स जो भी इंस्टाग्राम का एल्गोरिदम है वो कभी नहीं देखा. आई
Mm-hmm.
पोस्टेड व्हाट आई वांटेड एंड आई वाज कंसिस्टेंट एट दैट टाइम.
Okay.
So obviously abhi I was a bit inconsistent, but yeah,
Yeah.
I'm back now. So
It's back in
yes.
form now.
Yeah, you would be seeing much more content on my page now.
And varied pages. We are soon to
Yes.
talk about that now.
Yeah. So for me, it is consistency and content. It is very important what content you produce. So also for me, it is like your content should be your own creation
Original
and not
लगना चाहिए.
someone's, pick करके अपने पेज पे डाल दिया just for the increment and just for getting the clients on Instagram. This
Yeah,
is not
true.
the thing which should happen.
So, ma'am, besides the consistency and the content, any other golden rule for cracking that algorithm on Instagram?
No, as per me, there's no.
So it's mainly the consistency. You be
Yeah,
consistent with your
yeah.
authentic and the
Because,
original content.
correct. This is what I have experienced because
Mm-hmm.
I know when I was consistent with my videos, I had 20 sites on Instagram, uh, like online design consultancy sites,
Okay.
all over the globe. I
Oh,
did sites in Malaysia, Austin, यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे.
wonderful.
Yeah, so
So it was like an online consultancy. You
consultancy,
did
yeah.
the designing part.
Yes, the designing part, and also I have continued that. Abhi bhi I am doing that. So yeah, it was purely consistency, and then I experienced ki when I was not consistent, I got stuck at
Yeah.
one certain number. But number was never a thing for me, so that doesn't matter. ग्रो तो हो ही रहा है तो धीरे धीरे या फास्ट ग्रो तो होना ही है. So
Forward is forward.
yeah.
So, ma'am, for someone who is just starting out their journey being a content creator and walking your path of being an interior influencer, so what should they be taking the steps to build up the credibility and build up the local audience?
So, as I mentioned, ki be true to yourself and be true to your audience. Create content which you actually know about or you have actually done.
Okay.
So, that is the only thing I will tell my
And
audience.
what type of content should be going? जैसे आपने बोला कि वो जो किचन वाला रील था उसमें थोड़ा सा एजुकेटिव था कि किस तरह से वो अटैचमेंट्स जाने चाहिए.
So, for me, it totally depends on the designer because I have seen different designers working on different content. Some are, giving tips and tricks. Some are making fun content. Ki what architect or what a designer faces,
Faces.
like client and unka कुछ
इंटरफेस जो
conversation.
होता है
Yeah. So it
काफी वो
totally depends.
बिफोर आफ्टर वाला भी काफी
Yeah.
आजकल ट्रेंडी होता है.
Yeah, makeovers हो गए,
Hmm.
quick tips हो गई. तो it totally depends on designer to designer.
So you mean to say कि इन सब का थोड़ा थोड़ा सा टेस्ट चाहिए आपके इसमें?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, you are an interior designer, at the same time an interior influencer, and each of this is a demanding role. So how do you strike a balance between the two?
So, being a designer, the influencer thing comes automatically because I know, okay, I want to produce the content on Instagram and my audience is waiting.
Yes.
So while designing, I have a lot of ideas कि अरे इसका भी वीडियो बना लेते, इसका भी वीडियो बना लेते. So basically the content is ready. It's just about posting it. So वो balance अपने आप हो जाता है while
So you mean कि
designing.
दोनों hand in hand जा ही रहा है.
Yes.
And the designing is the core part.
Core part.
You recently got married to architect Yash sir, and together you have built What We Style. Besides What We Click, what architect Yash has been into. So tell us how your shared dream came to life.
So it was the love for design, for
Yeah.
like for
That
both of us.
reflects in
Yeah.
your page.
So it was like Yash is an architect, I am an interior designer, and love for design, the concepts, the photography skills, and obviously then the styling part was missing because designing मैं कर रही हूँ, photography and documentation part यश कर रहा है, but there was a missing part which was styling. So under What We Click only we started What We Style, and it is purely the styling page that we started for architects and designers. Yeah.
Wonderful. Ma'am, when I talk about your life partnership, so it is like the universe's call of bringing you both together because your names also gel in
Yeah.
so nicely, Yash and Yashika.
Yashika.
That's a beautiful combination.
Yeah.
Yeah. So working together as a couple is always special because it blends, as you said, love with creativity.
Yeah.
What's been the most joyful part of building a business together?
So I feel it is more of experience. Like everyone has that thing in your mind, okay, I want to experience this with my partner. So for me and for him, it is the experience, like doing things, experiencing them, and creating memories.
Creating memories.
Yeah, basically it is about creating memories so that we can, talk about and laugh about it later on.
Of course.
Yeah.
Ma'am, now let's talk about yours and architect Yash Sir's life association, your
Yes.
lifetime collaboration.
Yeah.
You recently got married to architect Yash Sir, and you both have built together What We Style.
Yeah.
Can we know more about it?
So What We Style is a styling platform because we thought something was missing. I am doing the designing part, he's doing the documentation part.
Yeah.
But then there was, a missing stone between this thing.
Yeah.
So we started with What We Style, and obviously having the background of, family business into furnishings, plywood,
Yeah,
hardware.
you said that.
So we were like, ki, let's make a one-stop solution for interiors, the only one-stop solution in Nasik,
Yeah.
basically. So be it designing, be it a consultation, be it styling, be it documentation, everything
All under
comes
one roof you
under
have
one
now.
roof. So yeah, we started What We
How do
Style,
you
and
think that this would be of more add-on thing for the clients?
add-on thing to the clients is like if they book us, they don't have to worry कि material कहाँ से लेना है. They don't have to go to separate, different stores for selections and not to meet different like
Vendors also.
vendors. Yeah, because a lot of things are covered already in the whole package, the
Yes.
whole thing that we are doing. So the major part basically, because obviously plywood is the major part for furniture,
Yes.
hardware आ गया, laminates आ गए, like the basically finishes आ गई, furnishings आ गई, designing तो है ही,
टाइल्स के लिए हम तो है ही.
हाँ टाइल्स के लिए आप हो तो ओनली टाइल्स ही बचता है देखा जाए तो. एंड नाउ वी हैव our Porsche Kirti tiles.
Yes, of course.
So yeah.
Always with you. Yes, so this is what you describe yourself when you say What We Style as a
Yeah.
all-in-one solution. So, ma'am, working together as a couple is always special because it comes with a package of love, creativity.
Yeah.
What has been the most joyful part of building up this business side by side?
Joyful part, as in it is basically the experience. Like there is always a thing with everyone, every couple basically, ki I want to experience this with my partner, I want to go here with my partner. But in our case, it is like experiencing the other things as well as the design part. So it is about creating memories and cherishing them.
Ma'am, I want to ask you one thing now. जैसे आप लोग अगर घूमने जा रहे हो, say imagine there is a seashore.
Yeah.
So you are enjoying the seashore, and isn't that Yash sir is चल यहाँ पर एक फोटो लेते हैं.
वो ऐसा होता है कि yeah, he loves to click, like be it a seashore, be it me, or be it any of the interior architectural projects. But yeah, he's always ready for that shot, you know. मतलब उसमें दिखता है कि यार how much he loves photography.
Of course, his
Yeah,
work shows that.
yes, yes. And वो तुरंत ही समझ में आ जाता है कि इसको बोलते हैं passion, like.
Yes. So, ma'am, how do you make sure further your relationship stays the same fun you're talking about and exciting while working together daily में?
So basically we, you know, हम एक दूसरे को काम basically हम काम बांट लेते हैं.
Yeah.
So we know what we have to do the whole day. Like he knows what he has to do, I know what I have to do. And somewhere there are challenges, somewhere where I am stuck most of the times. He's the one, you know, कर हो जाएगा.
So he's the one behind you
Yeah,
always.
so
Yeah.
he's the one behind me and, you know, doing all of the motivational thing. And yeah, so this is something that, you know,
Yes, sir brings photography and architecture into the mix. And how does what we click elevates your design projects and storytelling?
so basically Yash brings the soul in the pictures.
Of course.
मतलब, you know, design, obviously, designing, styling is one part, but जब वो pictures हम देखते हैं, जब, you know, documentation हो जाता है पूरा, and obviously you don't have to, you have no chance to see your baby, like your project every day. Once it's complete, it's complete.
Complete, yeah.
So you cherish that project, and you know,
When it's really documented
yeah,
by his hands.
his hand. So वो photographs में दिखता है कि what is the story, what is the feeling, and what is the emotion behind that picture or that design.
So he
Yash
basically brings out the best
the
out of
best,
the
yeah.
already best done
Yeah,
project.
he brings the soul to the
Soul to alive.
life. Yeah.
Ma'am, besides what we style, besides what we click, you and sir have started another thing that's very personal, an Instagram page called The Two of Us.
Yeah.
So to me, it looks like a window into something that's beyond work. Tell us more about
Yeah.
it.
So basically, two of us was a 2 a.m. thought while just laying down on the bed, and I was like, यार यश बहुत बोर हो रहा है, हर weekend करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. So I was like, let's start with a couple community where, you
Okay.
know, random couples come to the event, be a part, make memories, and bond with each other. And this is what Two of Us is all about. It is basically Nasik's first couple community.
Of course, sounds interesting.
Yeah, a lot of our friends are like कि हम नासिक के नहीं है, शादी के बाद हम नासिक शिफ्ट हुए हैं, and we have no friends other than our husband. So they are like कि wow, thank God you started this because we needed one.
So what exactly are you planning इसमें, मतलब ये community build up करना तो क्या होगा यहाँ?
So basically there would be different experiences, different events, and obviously once we grow, maybe there would be short trips with the
Okay.
whole group. So yeah, this is what we are planning. So in the initial stages, we are planning to meet and greet, doing a bit of activities like baking,
Okay.
painting.
So a weekend meetovers.
Yeah, weekend meetovers. Other than just the two of them going out on a movie date or just sitting in a hotel and having dinner.
So there are more like-minded couples already there, and
Yeah.
you could be joining there.
Yeah.
That's a good initiative, especially for the people who have, as you said, those who have hopped from other places other than
cities, yeah.
Nasik. That would be a beautiful thing. And what I really loved about this is the name, The Two of Us.
दूसरे दिन I was like, I have to make the page, I have to do this thing, I have to post this, I have to do this. First event कैसे करना है, किस किस को बुलाना है, the WhatsApp community and everything. So it started with the 2 a.m.
I must
thought.
say there are not much posts in this on this page. However, जो अभी इतने शायद 2 या 3 ही पोस्ट है,
हाँ.
and you both look beautiful, and touch wood, you both are just like a mate for each other couple. Just when I see those 2 3 reels, any special message or reaction that you've had from a follower that really touched you?
It is with every page. There was every,
Anything
no,
that
no,
connects?
yeah. So basically, starting from the two of us, it was like a people thanking me.
Mm-hmm.
Ki, thank God you started this,
Something what
and
we're waiting for.
yeah, a very good initiative basically. People appreciating basically.
Okay, and now I want to ask you, how do you balance staying authentic while sharing parts of your personal life? Because ये जो two of us group है, two of us जो page है, यहाँ पर it is more about you as couple goals, you and Yash sir as couple goals.
Yeah.
So authenticity, yet sharing your personal life.
Obviously, it is all that comes naturally. It is
As you've
nothing,
been saying,
yeah, it all comes naturally. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हमको ऐसा बनना है, हमको ऐसा वीडियो शूट करना है. The video we shot was just random उस टाइम पे. Like the first reel we shot for two of us was very random. That was the first video which Yash shot. Like he loves shooting, but he's very nervous when someone else shoots him. So yeah, it was like
wow. So where do you see the two of us, what we style, say in the next 5 years journey, 2030?
next 5 years. Okay, so two of us. So I don't know because obviously it all depends on the responses. Till now, the responses have been amazing,
It would be because
but
there is no such platform.
yeah, there's no such platform. But I think when it comes to event part, people were very excited. But जब event का सब details वगैरह डाला तो nobody is like कि taking that initiative to
Mm-hmm.
pay and come.
Okay,
But you cannot get everything for free.
of course.
Obviously, if you want to experience something, you have to pay for it. We cannot just give it from our
Mm-hmm.
own pockets also. And basically, for me, the most important thing is Yashika Designs, what we click and what we style. So, in 5 years, I want all these three things, the Nasik's top,
Scene pages.
yeah, scene pages, and a lot of people coming to us, just approaching
Tathastu,
us
it will be
for
done.
like all one-stop
You
solution,
already,
basically.
you both are already on that foot.
Yeah.
Ma'am, out of all the projects that you've done so far, which one makes you feel real proud? Like, yes, this is why I do what I do.
So it has to be my own home.
Oh, okay,
So
great.
like it's been 1.5 year that I completed my own home. All thanks to my dad giving me that chance. It was a 4,000 square feet of area, and that was the first huge project that I worked on.
Okay.
And obviously, it had a lot of challenges, a lot. Like, believe me when I say a lot, and a lot of self-doubt, but all thanks to my parents who pushed me and who helped me showing my talent. And that was the moment on the opening day when everyone was like कि
They appreciate
या
it.
मतलब उनको ऐसा लगता था कि याशिका याशिका क्या ठीक है करती
छोटी
होएगी
सी है
कुछ,
अभी.
हाँ डिजाइन करती होएगी, क्या ही करती होएगी. बट जब सबने घर देखा, दैट वाज द मोमेंट फॉर मी कि आई हैव डन समथिंग. And
That was a
yeah,
right
and
moment.
basically for a designer making their own house, designing their own house is a big task.
This is one of the question that I had put in the rapid fire: designing for
अच्छा.
yourself or designing for client.
अच्छा, okay.
And you said it here.
Yeah. So
Ma'am, you mentioned a lot of challenges. So can we know some challenges खुद के घर में बनाने के लिए what a designer faces?
so basically the challenges were like कि challenges सबसे बड़ा एक ये था मुझे कि यार खुद से तो बहुत expectations है, बट लोगों की मेरे से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है,
And that is really burdensome.
लाइक अ बिग चैलेंज. मतलब लोगों के दिमाग में क्या आ रहा है, अरे इनका घर बन रहा है, याशिका तो खुद ही डिजाइन करे, तो डिजाइनर का घर कैसा
कैसा
होगा.
होगा, एक्सपेक्टेशंस का एक हाइट
हाँ,
ऊपर हो जाता
तो
है.
वो एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था
हम्म.
विच आई टिक्ड ऑफ. एंड देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन आई रिमेम्बर, सोते टाइम भी मेरे को ऐसा कोई डिजाइन आता था दिमाग में, आई यूज्ड टू कीप अ बुक एंड पेन
Pen.
नियर माय बेड एंड आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट स्केच रात को,
Yes.
because that was the real pressure कि and I wanted to prove myself because this was my like the biggest chance अब तक का.
Wonderful, and you did it.
Yeah.
That must have really brought a sense of pride.
Yeah.
मैम, अगर मैं पूछूं कि कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट आपको अगर चांस मिलता है, यू रीडू दैट प्रोजेक्ट, सो व्हिच वन वुड यू नेम एंड व्हाट चेंजेस वुड यू ब्रिंग इन?
uh, Obviously my first project,
Mm-hmm.
because obviously the first ones are
You keep learning.
yeah. So first project I would wish to redo. It was a
That was a very honest and
yeah, the
simple
first
answer.
project
Yeah.
basically. So basically it was a family of three. Their son was in Germany, and uncle auntie the. They were like very simple Maharashtrian family. We want this, we want this,
Mm-hmm.
and they were very clear. But yeah, uh, obviously the first one was something that I wish to do again.
At the same time, always the first ones are a milestone for us कि
Yeah.
एक first मैंने किया है.
But you know, the first one का फोटो शूट भी मैंने खुद किया था,
Oh.
बिकॉज तब मुझे लगता था यश को मैं कैसे बोलूँ, इतना मुझे पे नहीं करना. तब ऑब्वियसली यश भी तब स्टार्ट ही किया था, यश ने भी शायद. बट हाँ, तब मेरा माइंडसेट में ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे पे
So
नहीं
you
करना.
shot yourself that project.
Yeah, I shot it all by myself. Like I
Wow.
took my car, filled it up with a lot of things, styled it, and shot it completely, and then came back home.
मैम, any project that is specially very emotional touch वाला आपके लिए या फिर आपके client के लिए?
um, yeah, one of the projects from Malaysia,
Mm-hmm.
because my client
Which you did that online designing.
yeah. So it was like the client was very clear कि I don't want to, you know, it was in the capital only,
Mm-hmm.
Kuala Lumpur, and
Kuala Lumpur.
yeah. So this was a resort, and he was very firm कि I don't want to break, like I don't want to rebuild it. I just want to renovate it, and I
Mm-hmm.
want to like give a very good aesthetic thing to the customers.
Okay.
And he was very clear, and that was the point where, you know, it
How did you get into a project from Malaysia?
through my Instagram. He
Okay.
approached me, the client approached me, and he loved my design. Like he was very happy when I provided the mood boards.
Uh-huh.
तो 3D तो बहुत दूर की बात, but mood boards पे वो बहुत excited थे, and he was very happy and satisfied. And then later on, when we produced the design and everything, they actually took the shape of everything over there as per
Okay.
the design. But yeah, that was
So execution part was done there and you designed it and you drove the path, the blueprint.
Yes.
Let's have some fun now. No overthinking. First answer that pops into your mind.
Okay.
If your life right now were a color palette, what colors would you include?
What colors would I include? Orange,
Uh-huh.
to be specific, rust, teal, and white.
Rust, teal, and white.
Yeah.
What is more challenging? Designing for yourself or designing for a client? I guess you've already answered designing for yourself as you've done for your home. Architect Yash sir in one word when he's on that photography front.
Passionate.
Passionate. Yes, you've always used this word for him. Your go-to snack during a long project day?
Go to snack, fries.
French fries.
French fries.
The strangest thing a client has ever asked in a project design?
आप खुद ही डिजाइन करते हो या Pinterest से उठाते हो? कर
A guilty pleasure you have when you finally take a day off.
बाकी सब काम कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी काम करना है.
You're a workaholic. Day off को भी करोगे आप?
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार मुझे काम करना है, बट फिर आलस भी आता है. बट या दिस इज द constant guilty pleasure.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
Like
doesn't let you take a off even
off
on the off day.
off days, yeah.
If you could design a dream home anywhere in the world, where would it be?
New York.
New York, you decided. The craziest moment you and architect Yash have experienced while working together?
While working together. Okay. So, one of the client, not the craziest, but yeah, a thing which pinches me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So, one of our recent clients, we went on a meeting and he's like the male, he's continuously talking to Yash about the design and everything. And Yash is like,
Design the
she's the one who is going to be designing your home. And I was like, yeah, look at me now. So, here it
Yeah.
was कि male talking to a male and thinking कि ये क्या female करेगी.
अभी कर कर बताना है.
हाँ.
One trend in interior design you think needs to make a comeback.
One trend that needs to make a comeback are traditional interiors, because now I feel a lot of people are going into modern interiors,
Mm-hmm.
and the traditional aesthetic and
Anything specific in this traditional aesthetic?
yeah, maybe the ceilings. I feel the ceilings and the floor, the tiles. Obviously, now the
Handcrafted cement tiles.
mosaic tiles
They are
are
back.
again in trend, but I feel there should be something in the ceiling as well, because पहले ज़माने के ceiling, like the old
Hmm.
time ceiling was fantastic, like the carvings and
Okay,
everything.
so your answer is the ceilings, the traditional ceilings here.
Yeah.
A bold piece of art or a sleek coffee table? What's your take?
Bold piece of art.
If you were not an interior designer or an interior influencer, would you be doing today?
Maybe I would have joined my dad's business that's into furnishings, because
Mhm.
obviously there's a lot of scope to do there as well. So yeah, maybe
Okay.
joining him in his business.
One relationship rule you and architect Yash sir live by, whether at work or at home.
So basically, it's very simple. We don't keep things to us, we speak it up. And the main rule that we follow is never going to sleep without
Resolving.
resolving.
Oh.
Yeah.
One word to the one habit of Yash sir's that you secretly find adorable.
Keeping calm, even when,
I think Yash sir, she's the biggest fan of you. Passionate, she says, and
I
so
don't
many
know. I
adjectives
don't
you've
know
added for him.
what would I have done without him, because कैसा है ना, I am a person who is very short-tempered.
Who's more likely to bring home random decor pieces?
Yes. Yeah.
If the two of us were a type of design style, what would it be?
Minimal.
Thank you so much, Interior Yashika ma'am, for opening up and sharing your journey impromptu and with so much honesty and such warmth.
Yes.
So it was wonderful having you with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for having me here. And it's a great
Pleasure.
pleasure to, this is my first podcast, and I'm looking more for such podcast, and I'm very, very fortunate to be here and doing this with you. Thank
Wow,
you.
wonderful. To our listeners, may today's conversation inspire you to embrace your own journey, no matter how uncertain it feels right now. Keep believing, keep creating, and remember that even the smallest ideas can transform into something really extraordinary when nurtured with heart and vision. So, until next time, keep designing not just your spaces, but the life that you've always imagined.